Hey guys, welcome back to another quick assist video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to rename your AirPods. So first you want to make sure that they're connected. So when you open it, it should connect. If it doesn't, just go to settings and go to Bluetooth, and under my devices, you should see it. So in case you might have purchased it from someone or it was a gift and now it's yours, you want to change the name. This is all you have to do. But first you have to make sure that it is connected. So for some reason it's not connecting right now yet. Let's give it a second. Still not connected. Connection unsuccessful. Hold on. Okay, so now it's connected, right? Once it says connected, go ahead, click on it. Right now it says Nikki's AirPods. Shout out to the new Obsession movie. But once you connect, all you have to do is go right here where it says name. We're gonna go ahead, and then now I'm gonna change the name. You don't even have to call it AirPods, but let's go ahead and call it Bear's AirPods. Okay, and then give it a little time, and then the name should now change. Once you put in the name, go ahead and push check, and now it will be called Bear's AirPods. Okay, so the key is to make sure that's connected. If it's not connected, it's not going to work. But go ahead and try that out. I hope it helps. See you next time. Please like or comment. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.